This is Elijah. At this very moment, her endocrine system is in full function. Her body is producing its own chemicals to carry out certain functions that the endocrine system coordinates. This system is involved in slow body processes like cell growth. The endocrine system also regulates mood, tissue function, metabolism, and sexual and reproductive development. The hormones and glands are the true foundations of the endocrine system. Hormones work as the body's chemical messengers that transfer information and instructions from one set of cells to another. The glands are a group of cells that create chemicals and secretes them. A gland will select and remove materials from the blood, process them, then secrete this finished product for somewhere else in the body. An example would be the exocrine glands, which are the sweat and salivary glands that release secretions in the skin or in the mouth. Another example would be the endocrine glands, which releases more than 20 major hormones in the body. This is Des. He was created by a reproductive system in Elijah. There are specific functions for both male and female reproductive systems. In males, there are two major parts, the testes, which create sperm, and the penis. In females, the major internal organs are the vagina, uterus, and ovaries. During each month, responses to hormonal changes occur, meaning one ovum or egg is released and then sent down in the fallopian tube during a female's ovulation cycle. If the egg is not fertilized by being joined with a sperm, the egg is eliminated or discarded, which results a menstrual period in women. If an egg does become fertilized, the egg becomes implanted in the lining of the uterus. This starts the process of pregnancy. When the fetus is strong enough to survive outside of the womb, the cervix dilates and contractions of the uterus propel the baby through the birth canal and out resulting Des. After you eat, your food and drink must be changed into smaller molecules of nutrients. This has to be done before the blood in your body absorbs them to transfer to cells so they can carry out certain functions. The digestive system is in charge of doing these processes. Your body breaks down 4 major nutrients from food and drinks like carbohydrates, protein, fats, and vitamins. It works by moving the food through the GI tract or the gastrointestinal tract, which is a series of hollow organs that are joined by a long twisting tube from the mouth to the anus. Digestion starts in the mouth by chewing and ends in the small intestines. The food passes through mixing with digestive chemicals, so the food breaks down into small molecules. The body absorbs these molecules in the small intestines and delivers them to the rest of the body. The waste products of the digestion pass through the large intestine and out the body as a solid matter called stool. The small intestine is about 20 feet long, while the large intestine is about 5 feet long, all squished up in your body. The cardiovascular system is responsible for the transmittance of nutrients, oxygen, and hormones throughout the body. This system is powered by the heart, which is responsible for pumping these nutrients in the blood through blood vessels. This also provides a path for them to reach parts of the body where they are required. The cardiovascular system also provides a route for leukocytes to proceed to fight off infections.
What you see in this video is Mandela going on a light jog through the neighborhood of Brookside Meadows. He's using his respiratory system, which consists of his nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The function of this system brings oxygen into our bodies, which we need for our cells to live and function properly, and it helps us get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of our cellular function. What you see in the next video is Mandela walking outside to enjoy some fresh air when his lymphatic system kicks in right away. This system consists of the thymus, bone marrow, tonsils, spleen, lymph nodes, and lymphatic vessels. The function of this system is to transport lymph, a fluid containing infection-fighting white blood cells throughout the body. The lymphatic system primarily consists of lymphatic vessels, which are similar to circulatory veins and capillaries. In this next video, you see Miles boxing. He's putting his skeletal system in full effect. This system consists of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. This system's function supports the body structure, allows movement, protection for vital organs, stores calcium, and the endocrine regulation. In this next video, you see Mandela's urinary system acting quickly. The organs in this system consist of 2 kidneys, 2 uterus, the bladder, 2 sphincter muscles, and the urethra. The function of this system is to remove liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine to keep a stable balance of salts and other substances in the blood. In this next video, you see Miles doing one-arm push-ups to put his muscular system in full effect. The organs in this system consist of skeletal muscle tissue, blood vessels, tendons, and nerves. The function of this system is to work in one accord with the skeletal system to provide movement in the body, maintain posture, and circulate blood throughout the body.
The nervous system is a network of nerves responsible for all the communication across the human body. Without the nervous system, the human would not be able to communicate between systems within the body, move, or even respond to external stimuli. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, and system of nerves that span the entirety of the human body. The integumentary system is a protective system that provides a barrier between the human body and the world. The integumentary consists of the largest organ in the body, the skin, the hair, the nails, and several glands. The integumentary is integrated with the nervous system, allowing it to detect changes in the environment such as temperature and to sense possible harmful sensations like burning, abrasion, pressure, and cold. The integumentary also provides a route for distribution of waste in the form of sweat. This sweat can also be used to cool down the body in times it gets too warm.